Having trouble with your EA Sports account, games, or services? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to contact EA Sports support in 2025. Whether it's account issues, billing problems, or technical glitches, this quick and easy guide will help you reach EA Sports support the right way. First is in your web search easport.com. In the homepage, click the question mark in the right top section. In here, click EA Help. In here, click the Security and Privacy. Scroll down and find the Delete Your EA Data. Click the Learn More. Scroll down until you see the Contact Us and click it. In here, fill up some information needed and click Submit. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to contact EA Sports support in 2025. Quick and hassle-free. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updated tech and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your support request.